So what are you reviewing today?
I'm reviewing him on the table.
Oh, is that it? I thought it was better.
Like, what the fuck? Hello there guys, sorry about my mascot. Today we'll be reviewing Transformers Animated Ratchet. But first let's have a look at the packaging. Here's a box.
Violence! Brr.
That is fun. Now onto Ratchet. One thing I don't get about this guy, as you see on the top, that colour of red there, and that colour there. Why? Two shades of red. I don't understand it one bit. And yes, it does transform into an ambulance. Nice Autobot symbol right there. Just bear with me for a moment. Ah, that's better, much louder. And all around, very nice. On top, got nice headlights. Nice transparent blue windshield. I said transparent, transparent. And that piece there is blue. Should be see-through. Oh, we did see through. You can see the rims aren't silver. And yes, I think that is pretty much it for vehicle mode. As you can see, his legs right there. So, I think that's pretty much it for the vehicle mode. So I'll just place my camera down. Let's get on with the transformation. So what you want to do is hold this bit, hold it, bring this up. Yeah, flips down the legs. What you do for the legs is straighten them out. Have to try and get your finger in that notch right there. When I got this guy, I used scissors. Come on. Why aren't you? Ah, that's on. Ah! Come on. There you have his legs. Go truck. Go truck. Right there, people. Now for the rest of the guy, what you want to do is bring this section up on this little double hinge onto there. Oh, wait, actually just bring it up like that. Get the arms, bring them out. As you can see, they are on a weird thingamabob. Flip this panel up, spin the arm around, bring the arm down, rotate it, bring out the fingers, and there you have an arm. You do exactly the same on the other side. Oh, I've pretty much already done the arm. So there you have his arms. And what you do with this front section here, you basically push it against his body. Can you stand? Stand. Stand. Are you gonna stand? Are you gonna stand? Are you gonna stand? Yes, he's standing. Now what you want to do with the head is, I'll grab my camera. Yuck. This is cool. As you can see, the head is right there. Which get out is. Let this down like I did earlier. Then bring the section. Whoa! He fell on me. I'll put the camera down. Because he fell on me because of that. What you want to do is bring it back. Like that. All of it. And his head will pop up. And there you have it. There's Transforms animated Ratchet. Can he stand? Stand. Stand. Is he gonna stand? See? Gotta stand. Yes, he's standing! As you can see, he does look awesome. Very show accurate in my mind.
Have you done it already? Good. Get this review over and done with.
Mascot, just go away.
Okay, I know when I'm not wanted. Stupid mascot.
You may have saw my thumb. Right, as you can see, the head does light pipe very well. But to demonstrate that very wellness, I will use my torch, which is a Lego brick torch. Will demonstrate that it's awesome. Don't know if you can see how well that's coming up on camera. Come on. That's pure awesomeness. Let's try it again. But yes, it does light pipe very well. So articulation wise, his head is on a tight ball joint. It can go mirror, like his neck's broken. His arms can do a full 360. He can go in and out as well. You do get a bicep swivel. About 90 degrees of movement up the elbow. Also the fingers move, so does the thumb. On the legs, well, and his leg came off. Is that on a ball joint? No, it's not a ball joint. You can go in and out, back and forth, go in and out, whoa. Then you can go like that. Oh, my leg's broken. Like that, I need that much, but it's enough. Also the toe can move, so can the heel! Come on, stand. You stand, yes. But obviously you do want him holding his weapon things, if you can call them that. And the way you do that is, on here, see these things back here. Not sure how well it's coming on camera. But yes. See if my torch will sort it out. Right, that thing there. You pretty much bring it down. Burn. Same with the other side. Stand. You can stand? Yes, he's standing. And overall, just a lot of nice details. Let's have a look through the camera. So very nice. It's pretty much the same in vehicle mode. Nothing much.
Hey Tom, are you done yet? Are you done yet? This is getting boring already. Can you please hurry up? Or I'll punch you in the face.
How are you going to hurt me with your plastic hands?
Whatever.
Sorry about him. So I think that's pretty much it. So I'm Rivesy. Put some comments in the comment box below. And yeah, I think that's pretty much there is to say. So there is Transformers animated Ratchet. I'm not sure if it's Deluxe or Voyager. This is Rivesy signing out. Brrr! And it collapsed on me!